Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable Long-Press Accelerator on PLAYit. So let's get started. Firstly, open PLAYit app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on video. Then scroll until you find Long-Press Accelerator. Then turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable Long-Press Accelerator on PLAYit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.